What's up with it, Hood News peeps? How y'all doing? Oh my goodness. Waiting for you guys to hop on. A helicopter had to make an emergency landing over here in Tomball. What's up with it, Hood News peeps? How are you guys doing? It's your girl Grizzy live here somewhere. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm off of Grand Parkway at a spot where a helicopter had to make a landing. Y'all be safe out there, friends. Helicopter peeps. Hey, how y'all doing? Hold on, friends. Oh my goodness. I'm walking in the dark. We got state troopers out here too. Look, we got DPS out here. Fire department. Hold on, friends. All right. Look, this is where we're at. Hold on, friends. A helicopter needed to make an emergency landing. But everybody's good. Everybody's good. Thank God. Yeah, that helicopter you guys see right here, it had to make an emergency landing, but everybody is good. Nobody's harmed. Nothing like that. Thank God. Thank God. Well, shit, I'm about to get out of here, friends. Y'all be safe if you're out and about. It's your girl Grizzy live here in the Tomball area. I believe this is Tomball. Let me look. This is where I'm at. Y'all be safe out there. Pretty cool. They made an emergency landing. Everybody is okay. If you live in the area and you hear all this noise, that's what it is. Hold on, let me wipe the lens down. All right. I'll photograph it. Let me photograph it. And then I'll tell y'all what's going on. All right, y'all be safe. Reporting live here. It's your girl Grizzy. Back to you. I don't even know how to pronounce this spot.